2-for-1 for you today. We're gonna be firing up my Weber Performer, but before I do that, I gotta make one minor repair. With what I'm wanting to do, temperature control is very vital. So I'll be replacing the one-touch cleaning system, which also has the dampeners to close off the bottom vents if necessary. Went to do the sweep, and I'm holding the control rod in my hand, so it was time to replace it. So we're gonna get that switched out, and then we're gonna fire up the Weber. And what's cool, got some I got a new product that I'm gonna be checking out. It's new to me, been out on the market for a few years. First, before I get to that product, I was really happy about my barbecue grill stone. I thought it was a significant game changer when it came to the Weber kettle. For the simple fact, this gave you the ability to turn your Weber kettle into a smoking machine. Kettle Zone. We're gonna put this bad boy to work. And what I'm really excited about, you know how I like to do my steaks. Well, I like to reverse sear them, or I sear them first and just give them a bath of smoke. And let me tell you, a steak is not a steak unless it has a kiss of smoke. So this allows you to do both without manipulating and moving stuff around. So I'm really excited about getting this started. But before I do that, let's get that cleaning system swapped out, and we'll be back. All right, YouTube, what I did to make it a little easier to remove the old one, thank God it had the newer, or it had the similar part that I'm putting on now, because older ones have like a bolt with a screw that you had to tighten in, and after a while, between the heat and cooling, and that is like dang near impossible to remove. I've done that one before. That's why I didn't want to start this video off talking about is this would be an easy repair, because in of itself it is. You might have to put some work in if you have the one that has the screw that you have to replace. But this one didn't. It's just remove the old hardware, and now I'm at the point of replacing it with the new hardware on there. Now what I did to get this off, it was these deals here just snap in underneath, so you just pull them out and you can remove it. So now we're going to put it back on so we could install our new cleaning system. Like I said, they just snap right back in underneath where the legs. To remove it, you just pull it. Just pull these out, and you can see the little notch that goes underneath the leg. Where if this one had legs, is where you put the legs. And we'll and what I did also, I took and just flipped the kettle upside down, put a screw in it so it wouldn't move. Now I just removed the screws, and I'm gonna flip it over, get the cleaning device put in, and we'll be done with the assembly. We'll be back. All right, YouTube, now the final part here is getting your control rod seated in and fastened in. It's real simple. There's a notch in which the you feed through. Now it doesn't go through. There's a notch that you feed through. Now it doesn't go through the other side, because once you get it all the way through, you just turn it, and there it is, and it's fastened in. So, and this allows you to open and close your vents on the bottom. All right, YouTube, now that we have our cleaning system installed and it's working properly, now I'm going to start installing the components of the Kettle Zone. The first thing I put in is the rack that's going to hold the ceramic plates. And by the way, everything you need to cook with comes in the kit. The grill grate, stones, everything, all that, it's all part of the kit. So you will not need your personal grill grate that came with your Weber. So next we're going to get the stones put in. Mind you, we're just dry fitting everything to see how everything assembles before we do our first cook. We'll be right back. All right, YouTube, we got our ceramic plates in per the instructions. If I was setting up to do low and slow, it says to make sure the stones are touching each other, push them together in the center. And next step, we're gonna put our grill grates on. All right, we have our grill grates installed. Now we're set up to go low and slow. So this is perfect for doing brisket, pork butts, ribs, anything you want to do low and slow. We've just turned our Weber into another type of smoker. You know, I thought with that barbecue dragon grill stone that you just, man, turned that thing into a smoking machine. Wow, this fits the bill here. Like when I put the grill grates in, you can see you got this little notch right here that separates both grill grates. So when you put them in, uniformity, it's perfect gap. You ain't got to let the grill grates sliding and falling off. If they're locked into place, they're not going anywhere. Man, I'm real excited to get this bad boy fired up. All right, folks, I just wanted to show you that's everything that comes in the box. You saw the box. You got the rack that holds the stones, comes with your grill grates, and these are the instructions. It's real simple. You don't need a book to tell you what you want to do. So if you're going to do low and slow, here's the setup. If you're going to do direct cooking, where you're going to eliminate the stones, you're going to do a combination. Like on the box, it shows some vegetables that's being cooked indirectly, and then it shows some sausages or some hot dogs or burgers, whatever, that's going direct heat. And so you set it up the way you want, and man, more power to you, and let your cooking journeys begin. I'm excited. Like I said, stay tuned for the next video. See what we're gonna put on here first.